Hey guys, so today we're gonna do a quick tour of our room, stateroom 3079. So we are on deck 3, Royal Caribbean Jewel of the Seas. All right, let's make sure it's locked. So in here you will see the plan and where we are at in the ship. Very briefly, information on how to wear your what do you call this? Oh my gosh, what do you call this again? Life jacket. Oh my god, I blanked out for a moment. Okay, so there it goes. Good read before you even start. And this, our muster is D10, so that's very important to know when you are in the ship, to know where is your assembly area. It's on deck 5, muster D10. In case of emergency, you know where to go. And ta-da! I also learned today, it's tough if you are in the inner area. So we are on deck 3, so we're like in the lower deck. So in case of emergency, they said that the captain should do like 7 beeps and then 1 long as a sign that there's an emergency. And then when that happens, you just go gather on deck 5, D10. Okay, so we are in. When you walk in, you'll see the bathroom on the left side, and pretty much tiny, but all you need is in here. So we have the shower area that closes so you don't wet the floor. Okay, that's how it looks like. All right, we'll keep it open because we're not going to use it. We have an area for clean towels. I love the light, it's so bright. And you have a glass, the garbage can, the toilet. Very small, but that's all you need, I guess. I'm fine with it. I'm tiny, so I fit perfect in this space. All right, and then this is my favorite area. There's like a nice mirror in here on the side, and then there's a couch, a tiny table, and then more mirrors over here. The mirrors really do wonders in this room, because if you think about it, it's just very tiny, but because there's mirror here, mirror there, mirror here, and mirror there, it looks very spacious. And you have a table over here with a chair. That's where I charge my equipment. TV, and then the safe. I love the safe so much. I already have some stuffs in there, so let's close that. And then the bed, phone, and then your night lamp on the side. That's it. So this is how the stateroom in Royal Caribbean Jewel of the Seas looks like. All right, one more look of the entire room. So bedroom, TV, couch, and then that's it. It's very tiny, perfect for the couple. All right, that's it for today. Watch out for the video that I will update soon. I'll upload a video of the areas, different areas of the ship, and stay tuned. Bye.